how to change the battery on a PlayStation 4 controller. So just turn it over. Remove these 4 screws. You're going to need quite a small screwdriver for this. One out. Let's remove the other 3. Now that's the 4 screws out. So now we need to split essentially the blue side from the black side here. So you're just going to have to work around the edge. So you can use a small screwdriver, just be very careful not to damage the edges. Ideally you'd use something plastic, but just keep working your way around. Sometimes you can just use your nails, just get in there like so, and you see you can split it. So we're getting there now. Ooh. Now you want to do this as gently as possible because you don't want to pull this ribbon away from the computer components. If you do, you can simply push it back in. As you can see how the ribbon just slides in there. But ideally you don't yank this away, you just gently prise it away and keep this intact. Now we can see the battery's free floating. It's just connected to the circuit board right here, so we need to disconnect this. So all we need to do is just simply pull up, but grab it by the base. Don't grab by the cables. Just work it up gently. You can see. Get your new battery. Just slides right in. Put it in, just like that. There's a little hook for the wires there you can stick underneath, as you can see right there. Now when you put it back together, probably best to do the button side first. Obviously look out for this ribbon. It's the most delicate side, so just slide it in like that, and it's in. Then obviously just got to sort of push these in a bit just to get them in. Push that one in a bit. It's all together. Push it together like that. Put it back together. You may want to test it at this point before you put the screws in, but if it's all working, put your 4 screws in and you're done.